Still using the traditional way? Check out Supreme Stick Vacuum Cleaner by Agaro. You can use it as a stick vacuum or hand vacuum. Comes with a warranty card and manual. You will get multiple type of brush heads suitable for cleaning different places. Motorized brush, mattress brush, 2-in-1 multi-purpose brush, crevice nozzle, extra filter and cleaning brush. You will get 3 adjustable suction modes, low, medium and high. It comes with flexible head with LED light. तो जितनी भी डस्ट हो, डर्ट हो, पेट हेयर हो या फूड क्रम्स हो, लाइट के साथ सफाया करे आसानी से। 400 watt powerful brushless DC motor produces up to 25 kPa suction power. तो मैंने तो पूरा घर चमका डाला, चाहे वो एजेस हो, स्पाइडर वेब्स हो या लैपटॉप पे डस्ट पार्टिकल्स हो। इस वैक्यूम क्लीनर का हेड है फ्लेक्सिबल जो कि घूम जाता है पूरा 270 डिग्रीज। It has 0.5 liter bagless dust collecting bin. Now if you also like this vacuum cleaner, just comment down and I will send you the links directly.